Okay, so we have the arithmetic, the number format, input output. That will be for like the scanner, I think. Okay, or if you have for a file, if you read file, that's in chapter, I think chapter 13. We didn't do that, but read data for a file. That'll be a file exception file. Exception. And if you don't know what error exactly, then you can always use this catch exception called the exception, because the exception is the parent class of all these classes, right? So you can call the parent class. And that will catch all the errors. You just don't know what type it is. Okay? You know exactly what it is. So for the exception, you have to define, okay, what type of exception it is. So it's much harder to detect. Okay, but usually you'll see that these are may not be used. You usually just go right into the exception, and because from that, I guess you can discern that from the message itself, you can kind of know what the errors are. Okay, because you can still get the message type. For example, here I can still say you can still do the stack trace and trace that. You can still do the sysout message thing, right? e.get message. It will tell you. It will tell you as well. Okay, and so if I do this, it's not going to get down here. It's not going to get, because this already captured by the arithmetic. If I happen to turn this off, okay, if I remove that, and it has only the number format, and then the other one, which is not catch here, it will be caught by the exception down here. So this one will be down there. And if you run it, so you still get the error message. It's caught by this one down here, and you get the message. Let's see. Yeah. Now, the only caveat here is that you cannot put this exception above any other exceptions, right? Because it's like the catch-all, so it must be the bottom one. So in other words, if I put this atop of, like, up here, okay, then these will all have errors. It just means that it's already caught by that exception, because that's a really broad class. It catches every error. So therefore, you can't, I mean, it's kind of redundant to catch this again. That's what it's trying to say.